Okay, if the mean of the following frequency distribution is 50, then find the value of k. Here, which is the distribution table. For this, we have been given mean giving. Here, mean is equals to 50 be given. Here, which is the grouped data. For grouped data, formula for mean is, which is denoted by x bar. Here, formula for x bar is sigma fi xi by sigma fi, which is giving. Therefore, now we have to know about sigma fi xi, sigma fi. These two values be required to find out k value. For this sigma fi xi by sigma fi, okay, we will make a table. Here in this table, first row represents class interval. Class interval. Here class interval is that giving from 0 to 100, 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100. These classes will given. Then second row represents frequency. Frequency represented by fi. Fi means 17, then 20, 32, then k, then 19. These are given. Here these are given values from table, but here required to know about xi. Here this xi represents class mark. Class marks are represented by xi. Here class marks means mid values. Class marks, these are the class intervals. To find out class marks, add lower limit, upper limit and divided by 2. 0 plus 20, 20, 20 by 2, 10. Here class mark of this class is, mid value of this class is 10. Mid value of 20 and 40 is 30. Mid value of 40 and 60 is 50. Mid value of 60 and 70 is 70. Mid value of 80 into 80, 100 is 90. These are the values of xi. Now which is required? Product of fi and xi are required. Fi into xi. Product of fi and xi means multiply these values. 17 ones are 70. Here you have 0, means 170. Here 2 3s are 6. 2 zeros we have, means 600. Here 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 1, 16. 1600. Here 70 into k, 70k. Here 9 nines are 81. 8 is there. 9 ones are 9. 9 plus 8, 17. Here we have 0, means write 0. Here these are the values of product of Fi and Xi. Now find out the summation of Fi and Xi. Now add these values. You will get. Here you will get that. First add these values. These values. First add these values. Here in this we have variable. Leave it first. Add this. 1600, 2200, 2300, 23, 3000, 4000, then 4010, 4080, 4080 you will get. Sum of these constants is 4080. Remaining is we have 70k. Here which is the value of sum of these values? Sigma Fi Xi values. Now we got denominator. Denominator value here we got. Here numerator is 4080 plus 70k. Here denominator is required. To find out denominator, just add these values. You will get. Here see, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 7, 18. 1 is there. 1, 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8. Here k is there. Add k value. Therefore, this is the value of sigma Fi. Here, after adding these values, we got sigma Fi. After adding these values, we got sigma Fi Xi. Now, substitute these values in our formula. Here sigma Fi Xi means we may write 4080 plus 70k by sigma Fi means 88 plus k. 88 plus k. 88 plus k is equals to 50. Now we may write, send this to right side. 4080 plus 70k is equals to 50 into 88 plus k. Here see, multiply. 5 8s are 40. 5 8s are 40. 44. Here we have 0. 0 plus 50 into k. 50k. Here left hand side is 4080 plus 70k. Here write 70k as it is. Bring this 50k to left side. Minus 50k. 4400. Send this to right side. Minus 4080. Here 70k minus 50k, 20k. Here subtract 4400, 4080. Subtract. Here 0. 10 minus 8, 2, 3. Just we got 320. Now k is equals to 320 by 20. 0, 0 cancel. 2 16s are. Now k value is 16. Here first being given that table, in this given table which is unknown value, but in problem we have given mean, that is used, but mean is represented by x bar. Formula for that is this. Just by using this table we got numerator and denominator substituted and simplified. Finally we got required value.